Hello guys, good day and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Alright, in this video I want to teach you how you could earn free BTC, free Bitcoin. So guys, if this is your first time of watching our video, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop your comment, and also keep following us so that you'll be getting update on what is happening on how to get free crypto and free USDT. Alright guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Alright, this time around I'm taking you straight to the channel where you can make free money, free income, free BTC, and let's just look at it straight away without taking much of our time. Please do ensure you watch this video to the end. Okay guys, so the site we are talking about is delium.cc, and this site you earn free BTC, you earn free Bitcoin Cash, and so you can also convert it to USDT and the rest, which I'll be showing you in this video. And you keep making, please don't forget to share this video on your social media platform and also keep following us. Alright guys, so first you click on this to take you to where you want to go to. So let's click on start mining. So when you click on start mining, you see it brought you here, and on this part all you just need to do is to fill out this and you are part of the free mining program. So you just fill it, and when you fill it, it will take you to this part. Okay, so you see, this is it. This is what I mined a few hours ago that I started, and so I decided to bring it to you guys. So I'm mining these two, BTC and BTC Cash, so that they both are mining. And of course, I'm going to teach you how to mine. So when you want to mine, you start by clicking on this. You click on mining. You click on this mining. So when you click on it, it takes you to this place. So it takes you here. All you just need to do is to push this dots. You push it to the ending of this part. You push it to the ending here. You push it from here to this place. That is just all. You just push it from here. You drag it from here down to this place. That is all, and you start mining. But you can only mine two at a time. So you pick the first two you want to mine. When you get to the dashboard, you pick the first two you want to mine and start mining. When you get to this place, you pick the one you want to mine and start mining majorly, but I would advise you go for BTC and BTC Cash. Okay, so those tools are good for you to start with. So guys, that is just all you need to do. Okay, you can also earn by referring. Okay, and when you want to refer, you just click on this place, you'll see the link. And also if you want to withdraw, this is your withdrawal here. It's very easy, so you can use your trust wallet, which is very simple to withdraw any amount of it. So you just click here and click on, for instance, I want to withdraw BTC, and this is the amount of BTC you want to withdraw. You put it here, and this is your trust wallet address. You put it there, you click on withdraw. That is as simple as that. Okay, so guys, there's my referral link is down there, so just use it to register on this platform. Thank you.